Our schools are built to ensure learning. Our fundamental purpose is learning. And school districts trying to put new things in place, that is cool. I'm good with it. But one, you better make sure you got equitable practice in place. And two, whatever you're putting in place, you better be able to draw a direct line from it to improving teaching and learning, from it to moving the needle. Moving the needle. Because the fact is, if all of our persistently underperforming subgroups, poor white kids, poor black kids, poor brown kids, kids that don't speak the King's English, kids with IEPs, kids we consider unmotivated, if they were learning at high levels, we wouldn't have an equity issue, would we? So let's get back to what it's about, learning. Learning, not feelings, not my truth. Learning.